Okay, the difference between these two problems. So let's look at it. So for the first problem, I have 48u squared over 8u to the third. Okay, so for this one, let me change this. Okay, for this one, you are looking at taking the 48 over 8 times u squared over u to the third. So we'll simplify the fraction. 8 goes into 48 6 times. Okay, and so that 6 is 6 over 1. And then here you have 2 u's in the numerator and 3 u's in the denominator. That's going to leave you a leftover u in the denominator. So you have a 1 in the numerator of that fraction. So you've got 6 times 1 in the numerator and 1 times u, which is u. Okay, the other way you can look at this one is by using the rule. And so I would take the 48 over 8, and I know that 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. And then I'm going to use the quotient rule because I have bases of the same. So this would be u to the 2 minus 3, and so this is 6u to the negative 1. But if I have a negative power, I know I have to rewrite that, and that's telling me that the u is going to be in the denominator. That's what the negative tells me. Okay, so that is the first problem that you were kind of asking about. So let's look at another one. Okay. Oops. Okay, so the second problem that you were looking at was 7x squared over 35x to the fifth. Okay, so for this one, I would take the fraction 7 over 35, and I'm going to simplify that. So to simplify this one, I would divide the numerator and the denominator by 7, and that would give me 1 over 35. Okay, so now if we work with the variables, I have x to the 2 minus 5 using that quotient rule. So my fraction is 1 over 35, and then I'm going to have x to the negative 3. Again, this power right here, because it's negative, it's telling you that the x needs to be in the denominator. So I would have 1 over 35x to the third. Okay, 1 over 35x to the third.